My personal favorite performance would probably be our freshman year. I think the atmosphere was just really good. It was new. We were fresh to high school, and it was probably just the most fun.
Say my favorite hip hop dance was the one that Kaylee, a junior on our team, came up with this year. We did it on senior night, basketball season.
But another misunderstanding I'd say is that you don't have to have a lot of dance knowledge prior, so you should try out. You should have a great time and just make the best of it. If you put a smile on your face and act like you know what you're doing, it's honestly, you could fool anyone that you haven't had as many years of dance knowledge as others.
I think that they think it's a lot like cheer, but dance and cheer are two totally separate things. Especially like last year, we were a competitive dance team, and I don't think they realize how much hard work goes into it. Because when you're dancing, everything has to be the same. Like all your levels, if there's a taller girl on the team, you have to squat down. You have to be as low as the shortest girl on the team. So I have some experience with that.
The hardest part about being on the team would probably be the scheduling.
Yeah.
Sometimes it interferes, especially if you have jobs or if you're in other clubs. And it's like, it's not the end of the world because you can work around it. But sometimes like you get those random days where like you just have to drop everything to go to dance. I'd like to thank Miss McNeese and Miss Cowan for helping out this year, and Courtney for being an amazing captain.
Yeah, the coaches this year have really been a big blessing, because it's been pretty difficult over the past few years, just like stress and switching coaches and everything, and it's been really good this season.